everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with another 2K challenge giveaway entry. Let's see. Her envelope's so cute, guys. Look at her name. Look at it. So cute. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, I just heard something when I threw it away. Oh, okay, it's cute. Okay, let's see who this is from. This is Gloria. She's from Virginia. Her favorite colors are purple, pink. Birthday September 11th. And she is craft with me. And it, oh, okay. Cool. Let's get it out of the package so you guys can see it closer. So cute. She's got yellow paper with some little pearls and this flower. And it says good times. Some books and this flower. Look at that wood grain paper. Thank you. Okay, let me get her down. So she is craft with me. Ooh, one more spot. And I might have to do another page. That'd be awesome. And I'm going to put Gloria in per person. Ugh, I can't speak here. So we've got craft. I will have her channel listed, guys, with me. Okay. Little. So craft with me. Oh, I'm gonna put her name on there so I know. Gloria. Gloria. There we go. Okay, craft with me. Her name is Gloria. Fold it. Boom. Okay. And she sent me some other stuff, guys. That's her card. So pretty. I like it, like it. I'm loving all these, guys. These are just to take a little like 4x4 space and design something. Oh, look at it. She's got my name, Tina, and this cute little butterfly. And look at that pretty paper. And oh, you open it. It says, "Get it, girl." And then inside, oh, it's a little note. It says, "Hello, Tina. Congrats on your 2K. Hope you like the memory decks I made for you. Enjoy the handmade butterflies. Crafty hugs, Gloria." Aw, thank you so much. Love that. And then look at it, guys. Handmade with love, Gloria. Crafts with me on YouTube. And she made some homemade butterflies. Look at how pretty they are. I like how she did it on the little chipboard and then a book page. Jesus, I can't talk. And then you can just remove them when you want to use them. Them are so beautiful. Thank you. Then there's this tiny little, I don't know if it's supposed to be a little package of pearls or shakers. I'm going to leave it the way it is as a little shaker. It's cute. Isn't it cute? So we go check. I will have Crafts with Me the channel listed in the description box. Matter of fact, I think she's new to YouTube, guys. Let me look her up real quick. I'm pretty sure she is. Let me see if I find her. Craft. Yeah, you hear their mom music. Okay, yep, there's she. Crafts with Me. Oh. Oh, I guess she's not. Okay. Nope. She's been on wrong person. There's so many channels that start with craft. But I will have her. Well, no, that's scrapbooking with me. Wrong person. Nope. Maybe. Hang on. Hang on. Because I did her challenge. Hang on. I know who I. Hang on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Because she just had a challenge, and I joined her challenge. And I did her a VR, so let's go. Because I'm not finding her when I write it in the description box. I don't know what's up with YouTube when you put the channels in a description. There he is. They don't come up. Yep. There we go. There she is. Yeah, she's new to YouTube. She has 129 subscribers. So let's get her up there, guys. She joined in 2018. So I will have her channel in the description box. And guys, go give her some love. Go show her some YouTube love. She's new to YouTube. So let's get her subscribers up. All right? Thank you, Craft With Me, Gloria. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.